Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of Nutella truffles. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need 1.5 packet of tea biscuits, Nutella, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, chocolate, condensed milk, crushed biscuits in food processor. Add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder into biscuit. Mix it well. Add condensed milk and knead it like a dough. Now start making small balls. As you can see, I have prepared so many here. Add Nutella into a bowl. Dip each ball into Nutella. Refrigerate the Nutella balls for about 2 hours. Arrange Nutella balls into a cupcake liner and garnish with melted chocolate. As you can see, Nutella truffles are ready. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.